In 1911, Vincenzo Peruggia vanished into the Parisian night. His prize, the iconic Mona Lisa from the Louvre. Why did this Italian handyman risk everything? Hours after the theft, the museum was in chaos. For 2 years, the world's greatest art sleuths had no leads. Yet Peruggia hid the painting in a trunk, undetected. His motive was patriotism. He believed it belonged in Italy. In 1913, he tried to sell it to an Italian gallery. Arrested, Peruggia became a folk hero in Italy. The Mona Lisa, recovered, returned to Paris in triumph. Peruggia's audacity still echoes today.
Meet John C. McMacken, a pilot with wild dreams. In his New York City apartment, he built a spaceship. Using a Cineflux new astrolator, he traveled to space. McMacken believed this device projected him to the moon. His story intrigued and baffled a post-war America. Though NASA was still over a decade away, his fantastical claims left many questioning reality. Did McMacken truly believe he had visited the moon, or was he a visionary ahead of his time? His story challenges us. What if impossible dreams aren't so impossible?
Tsutomu Yamaguchi faced this unthinkable reality in 1945. August 6th, Hiroshima explodes in a blinding flash. Yamaguchi, a shipbuilder, was just 3 kilometers away. Burned and deafened, he staggered through the devastation. 3 days later, he arrives in Nagasaki, his hometown. August 9th, the sky erupts again over Nagasaki. Miraculously, Yamaguchi survives once more. His tale, a haunting testament to resilience and horror. 2 atom bombs, 1 man. Can you imagine? A man walked through Hiroshima's ashes, unaware Nagasaki awaited him. Tsutomu Yamaguchi was the man thrust into history's cruel twist. August 6, 1945, he survived Hiroshima's atomic inferno. Burnt and wounded, he journeyed home to Nagasaki. August 9, 1945, lightning struck twice. Few know his tale, though he endured 2 nuclear terrors. Remarkably, he lived to 93, a testament to resilience. Forgotten by history, yet his story echoes loudly today.
A coffin in prison, but no body inside. Meet Esteban Nunez, notorious for a disappearing act, sentenced in 2008 for a notorious crime in California. In 2012, a daring plot unfolded. Nunez's friends claimed he died of a mysterious illness. A fake funeral left authorities baffled, but a sharp-eyed officer spotted a flaw. The coffin was lighter than expected. Rushed investigations revealed the truth. Nunez was captured, alive and well, a master escape plan thwarted by oversight. And the empty coffin? A stark reminder of daring decision.
Meet the Ghost Army, the Allies' secret weapon in 1944. These soldiers wielded paintbrushes, not rifles. They used inflatable tanks to deceive German forces. Over 1,100 artists and creatives formed this unit. Under Sergeant Bill Blass, they staged massive ruses. Carefully designed soundscapes mimicked troop movements. This ghostly force changed the course of battles. But why did these bizarre tactics remain classified for decades? In 1996, the Ghost Army's secrets finally emerged. The power of illusion in war, more potent. In 1925, Victor Lustig convinced businessmen it was for sale. Lustig cast himself as a government official. He claimed maintenance costs were too high. Buyers believed they could scrap it for profit. Lustig's bold confidence sealed the deal. But he didn't stop there. Lustig sold it again. He escaped with their money both times. Authorities never caught him. He was that slick. Lustig's con endures as legendary audacity. Imagine buying a... It was April 18, 1906, when San Francisco shook violently. At 5:12 a.m., the city found itself at Mother Nature's mercy. Gone today are districts like south of Market, leveled by fire and tremor. 3,000 lives lost. 80% of the city obliterated. Witnesses spoke of Market Street engulfed in unstoppable flames. But what erased these places from modern memory? Rubble gave way to reconstruction, burying history beneath progress. The vanished streets remind us, nothing is truly permanent. Could it happen again? Entire neighborhoods wiped. A boy gazes across enemy lines, heart pounding. In 1862, Charles McKiernan, just 14, became a Union spy. His mission, gather intelligence behind Confederate lines. He concealed messages in hollowed-out shoes. Captured twice, he narrowly escaped hanging. General McClellan called him the boy hero of the North. But what drove him to such danger? Charles wanted to avenge his father, killed in combat. His bravery shines through history's fog of war. Imagine being a spy. In 1944, Julia Child worked for the OSS. Her mission, handling shark repellent. Sharks were inadvertently detonating Navy explosives. Julia's solution helped protect US submarines. But that was just the start of her secret career. After the war, Julia refined her culinary passions, turning from espionage to the kitchen, from fighting sharks to buttering croissants. Who knew the future chef was once a wartime? Frank Unwin wasn't just any soldier. In 1943, he volunteered for a mission few dare. On the battlefields of Italy, he became a human target. With unmatched courage, he drew enemy fire, while his unit positioned artillery for a counterattack. Unwin's selfless act saved countless Allied lives. But how did he survive such perilous gambits? His determination and sharp instincts were his armor. In the end, Unwin showcased the ultimate sacrifice, a living symbol of bravery, A gunshot cracks through the night. John Wilkes Booth, Lincoln's assassin, lies inside. Sergeant Boston Corbett takes aim. Was this justified or murder? Corbett fires. Silence falls. Who is Boston Corbett? A hatmaker turned soldier who claimed divine visions. Booth's death sealed his fate, but not his fame. Corbett becomes a ghost of history. Justice or vengeance? The question haunts history. Midnight shadows remember the man. April 26, 1865. A barn goes up in flames. Inside, a fugitive. John Wilkes Booth, Lincoln's assassin surrounded by soldiers, yet his corpse remains unconfirmed. Officially shot dead, but doubts remain. Was this truly Booth's end? Years later, a stranger claims to be Booth, carrying uncanny knowledge of the assassination. Did he escape his fiery fate? The mystery persists. Fact